Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 is back again, inside, warm, and as y'all see, got the milk right here. And as y'all know, that I'm gonna fix some rich chocolate ovaltine. Yep, I love rich chocolate ovaltine. Yep, we need some chocolate ovaltine in here, you know. So I want to ask my best friend. Is she drinking hot cocoa today? Let's see. All right. Now let me open this. Open this right quick. Wow, I don't look like I don't have much in here. Doesn't look like I have much in here. So let's put some rich chocolate Ovaltine. Rich chocolate Ovaltine. Rich chocolate Ovaltine. Smart. Yep. Taste it. A little heavy on the whatchamacallit. Excuse me. I have to rinse it out, y'all. Well, I have no biscuits though, or no cinnamon rolls. Well, I'm gonna put the thing back right now. I know y'all love this rich chocolate Ovaltine. All right, I'm just gonna have me some Ovaltine on a day like this. Okay. You know, I don't know when. I don't even know if she gonna watch this video when I upload to YouTube, or watch this on her news feed or whatever. You know, talk about my best friend. Okay, I wonder if Nyla gonna watch this. You know, Shamika and Nyla never met each other. You know, could have. You know. All right. So one of these days I'm gonna introduce her to Nyla. Okay. One of these days, you know. much as I talk about her, you know, I haven't talked about Brittany, you know. So while we oh, Brock is here. You want some cocoa?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm fixing some rich chocolate Ovaltine. Want some?
No, thank you.
Okay. So so anyway, while I'm fixing cocoa, you gotta wait until I finish, okay?
Yes.
You want some pancakes?
No, thank you.
Okay. So as soon as I finish with the cocoa, I'm you know. You can sit in the living room, Brock.
Yeah.
Yeah, sit right there. Don't go upstairs, okay?
Yes.
And you can watch whatever you want on the TV.
Yeah.
Okay, you can watch HBO Family. All right. So anyway, I'm find a coffee mug. Okay, coffee mug, coffee mug. Okay. Well, what I did was this. There we go. That's better, huh, ladies and gentlemen? With a coffee mug, I'm gonna get this coffee mug. Okay, is it nice and clean? No, it ain't nice and clean. I'm about to rinse this off. Okay. Got to rinse it off. Yeah, Dominoes 7 drink coffee too, y'all. Okay. Dominoes 7 definitely drink coffee. Okay. Coffee, 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 coffee. I'm not drinking coffee, y'all. Okay. I'm talking to anybody that just tuning in. Okay. All right. Once again, I'm fixing rich chocolate ovaltine. Yep. It ain't no Nestle Quick though. Yep. How many of y'all tried rich chocolate ovaltine? You know, 12 vitamins and minerals, you know. I gotta buy some more of this, you know. And I'm gonna buy some Nestle Quick or Nesquik. I'm kind of wondering. I'm kind of wondering if Shamika ever tried rich chocolate Ovaltine, you know. So almost done with the cocoa, warm cocoa, you know. But I don't have no biscuits, you know. So I don't eat Jello pudding, you know. I only eat Jello, you know. Okay. Looking outside at the weather. Yep. So hey, you know. Well, somebody told me to use bread. I'm out of bread too, but I would have used toast bread. You know, I should have used toast bread at that. You know, or should I use some cereal? Use this. Honey bunches of oats, Reese's Puffs. Oh well, what the heck? Or use graham crackers. I'm out of graham crackers. But I'm not gonna use no chicken, you know, or I could use some Teddy Grahams or something, you know. No biscuit, you know, no biscuits or anything. I wouldn't eat Church's biscuits, you know. Yep. Gotta get the Winn Dixie and buy a big can of ravioli so I can fix it on the stove for me a couple of days, you know. So I might have to go during tomorrow, you know. Okay, so I have no graham crackers, you know. I'm just gonna drink this alone. I drunk Nestle Quick like this before, so I tried Nestle Quick for the first time when I was a kid, you know. My mama baked us some biscuits, Pillsbury biscuits, and stuff like that. And then we had some cocoa, you know. Maybe I should have made some pancakes, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna make some pancakes and Brock gonna make them some lasagna. Okay, cook warm them up some lasagna, you know. Okay. Uh, well, anyway, all, all right, Brock, you can come warm up your lasagna now. Okay. Since, since I have that top, you know. Well, Well, since I have that top on it, so you can put it over here, so you can, or you can, yep, there you go. About to eat this lasagna, y'all.
Yes.
All right, so I'm so about to go fix my coffee. Psych, no coffee. So wait a minute, let me get the scooper in here. Yep, the scooper. Yep, the scooper. All right. So y'all gonna witness me drinking iced tea. Not no iced tea. Oh no, it ain't nothing. It ain't dripping. I'm glad for that. All right. All right. Now where the heck did I put that damn top? Oh, here it is right here. In my face the whole time. Okay, so here we go. Here's what I'm about to do. So delicious. Am I showing off? Sorta. Yep. It feels so good. I want to ask TJ, is he gonna drink some hot cocoa on a day like this? It's worse the way he living at though. You know, this is the time that he have to drink some cocoa, warm cocoa. You know what? There's something I want to tell y'all. Could you cut the lasagna for me, bro? With the aluminum foil, please. Well, anyway, SpongeBob's grandmother say, "Make you on hot cocoa." Yep. All right. That's all I got to say. I'm about to finish drinking my hot cocoa. I'll talk to TJ when I finish drinking my hot cocoa. Okay. As soon as I finish drinking my hot cocoa, I'm gonna call him right away. Okay. Bye bye. All right. Bye.